What's going on with my folks, man? Got a new project in the bag. As you can see from the title, we got a 7.5 inch ARP completed, and it's in the bag, man. It's a nice small compact package. I've actually had this probably longer than anything else, and I'm not really going to be doing a parts breakdown. Just wanted to show it off, kind of. It is very, very compact. The total length, I'll give it to you now, with the pistol brace extended, is about 26 inches overall. Too short from being able to put a vertical grip on it, because legally you can put a vertical grip on something that is 28 inches overall length. But I'm going to be doing a parts breakdown later on. Right now, because I'm waiting on some new sights. This one is broken. You can hear that thing ain't supposed to do that, but do have that mini flash can on there. That thing looks really nice. I remember Eisenairs Tactical was asking about that. Yeah, this is the mini flash can from KAK Industries. And yeah, it's holding up fine. I got video I'm gonna put probably at the end of this video of me shooting it like a while ago. I haven't shot this in a while, but it takes standard AR controls, everything like that, you know, nothing too crazy. But that being said, with it being able to take AR mags, you can put in 60s, drums, all of that stuff, and this will be the perfect book bag gun once I'm finished with it. I am putting, like I said, I'm getting new sights, and I'm getting a folder so that I can reduce the overall length of it, and then gonna be getting some dedicated SBR ammo so that way I can get the maximum terminal ballistics of this. Now I'm gonna be talking about this further when I compare it to like my Jackal, my AK, and future builds that I got going on. But as far as terminal ballistics and when would I use this and everything like that, as far as its compactness, I think the most likely use I'll get out of this is probably some type of close quarter, like CQB type situation. This is not my home defense gun. I have pistols and I have a dedicated rifle for that. Because when it comes to home defense, the odds of you facing multiple attackers is very high. So I want to be able to get the most terminal ballistics from that aspect as far as that goes. But let me know what you guys think. Oh, and I'm also getting a laser light as well on this. But this thing is very heavy, or light for what it is. I got the ACSS primary arms Cyclops on there. It's doing pretty good. If you want to see what it looks like, go to my latest shorts and you'll be able to see it. See what this thing is thanging. But as far as size comparison, you can see right there, it's almost as long as my the upper, just the upper of my Jackal. So you can see it's about, actually it's about the same size, to be honest. Jackal's a little bit short, but this is a 13 7 pin and weld, so it's a little bit shorter. Nothing wrong with that. And just in case you wanted to know how big it is compared to my pistol, it's like 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 3.5 2011s. So I don't know. Take with that what you want. I know people be asking for some weird size comparisons for some reason. And then compared to my AK, fully out and everything, this is a 10.5 inch barrel. So man, I gotta figure out a way to hold this thing, because this thing's heavy. Got another video on my AK coming up soon. Yeah, you can see how much that sticks out. Got another video coming out on this soon, of doing basically talking about the lightening of this, because I had to lighten this thing up, man. This thing was super duper heavy, man. Also, almost done with this project. It's starting to look a lot like what I had planned for it as well. And man, That K&S piston in there really surprised me. We're gonna be making a separate video about that. But let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. Would you rather rock small AK or small AR? Let me know in the comments down below. Peace.